Hey guys, give me 1 second. I forgot to call Sean.
Hello?
Hey Sean, so I forgot that we had your training today. Been super busy. We're gonna have to reschedule.
Oh man, I got all dressed up for nothing. I've been doing research all day trying to figure out how to be the best Monday memoer.
I'm sorry. Can we do next Monday?
I suppose.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye.
I forgot to write out a training plan. Anyways, sorry about that. Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl, Eli, back at it again with an OG Monday memo. I do want to take a moment to thank everyone for the love and support of these videos. It means the world. With that being said, let's begin.
Welcome back!
Attention, PPMLS subscribers. At 7 a.m. on Thursday, August 15th, the PPMLS will be placed in maintenance mode to make the changes in compliance with Exhibit B of the NAR settlement agreement. RSC staff anticipates the PPMLS being offline for approximately 4 hours. More information will be forthcoming regarding those changes and what to expect once the PPMLS is back up. You know what else is back up? Casino Night fundraiser. It's happening this Saturday, August 17th from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tickets are $65 pre-order or $80 at the door. Oh yeah, and if you don't know, each Casino Night ticket gets you 2 drink tickets, a food truck ticket, a dessert ticket, and $100 in casino cash. It's a public event, so bring your friends, family, and even invite your clients. It's going to be a blast. Check the link in the description to purchase tickets now. If non-members want to attend, have them call PPAR's Front Desk for assistance. The phone number is in the description as well.
It's time to party!
All right, guys, we are officially 4 days out from the deadline to send in your nominations for the installation celebration this year. So put on your thinking caps and pull together who you would nominate for these great awards. Affiliate of the Year, the Good Neighbor Award, Up and Coming Award, and last but definitely not least, Realtor of the Year Award. There will be a link in the description to head straight to the nomination page, so send in those nominations soon. As your favorite Monday Memo spokesperson, I'd advise that you also send the link to other members. Who knows, maybe they'll put your name in.
Nah, I did that already.
Guess what? Registration for Leigh Brown's event, Partners in Real Estate, Future of the R, is officially live. Leigh will dive into the heart of the profession, consumer protection, and elaborate on how it defines your role as Realtors. You don't want to miss this exciting event. It is live at the DoubleTree Hotel, September 24th, from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And the best part, it's free to all our members. But beware, if you register and fail to cancel and don't show up, you will be charged a $50 no-show fee. The link to register is in the description as well. Well, that's all I got for this week's Monday Memo. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I have to write out Sean's training plan. So